In the previous videos, we have seen the 6 features of AWS. In this video, we'll see the last 2 features, that is the machine learning facilities and data analytics platform. So the 7th feature is machine learning facilities, where this AWS, it provides powerful machine learning facilities which will help the students, researchers and the developers to build artificial intelligence applications easily. And this AWS, it offers ready-made ML services, cloud GPUs, training platforms and the AI development tools. And also it helps users create AI systems without purchasing expensive hardware. Now, what is machine learning? As you all know, it is a branch of artificial intelligence where computers will learn patterns from the data and make predictions automatically. And these systems can recognize the images, then detect diseases, translate languages, then predict weathers and recommend the products. So AWS, it offers pre-built machine learning services which reduce the development complexity. That is, instead of building everything from scratch, developers can directly use AWS ML tools. Now the popular AWS ML services which are used are the Amazon Lex, then Amazon Forecast, you have Amazon SageMaker and many more. Okay, here these are the Amazon web service ML services. Okay, now what do these services do? So these services, these are used for building, training and deploying the ML models, and it supports the TensorFlow, PyTorch and the Scikit learning. Then Amazon recognition, it is used for image recognition, facial analysis and also the object detection. So next, you have one real-time example here where the students are developing an AI project, leaf disease detection system. The goal is to identify whether a plant leaf is healthy, infected or damaged. So the machine learning helps automate this detection process. So here the leaf image will be uploaded. Students will first collect the healthy leaf images, diseased leaf images, and these images are uploaded to the AWS cloud storage. Now images may include tomato leaves, rice leaves, cotton leaves or many other leaves, and the data set becomes training material for the AI model. In step 2, after uploading the images, the machine learning model is trained. Training means teaching the computer to recognize the disease patterns. Now the ML model, it analyzes the leaf color, texture, spots, damaged regions, and it learns the difference between the healthy leaves and the diseased leaves. So the AWS, the training AI models, these requires very high processing power, large memory and GPU acceleration, whereas this AWS, it provides this infrastructure through the cloud servers. Then last step is to detect the disease. After training, the AI model will predict the disease automatically, where a user will upload a new leaf image and the system identifies whether the leaf is healthy leaf, fungal infected leaf, bacterial diseased leaf or nutrition deficiency. Then here the training deep learning models, usually it requires GPUs, that is graphics processing units, and these are very expensive and powerful processors designed for AI computations. So most students cannot afford high-end GPUs. They have limited laptop performance and also face slow training speed. So this AWS solves this problem by providing cloud-based GPU servers, and students can rent the GPU power online instead of buying the hardware. So benefits of using the cloud GPU is faster AI training, then no need to buy expensive systems, and you can access it from anywhere and you can pay only for the usage. Okay, suppose instead of buying a 1 lakh rupee GPU system, students can rent AWS GPU temporarily. They can train their model and stop the server after the completion, and it is very useful or helpful for data science students and PhD research students or research scholars. Then for it can be used for AI based projects. Okay, so here this is about the machine learning facilities which will provide the ready-made AI services, scalable ML platforms, cloud GPU infrastructure and easy deployment tools. Next you have the data analytics platform where it provides this AWS, it provides the powerful data analytic tools that help organizations to process the large amount of data, identify user information, then generate reports, make better decisions. So AWS analytics platforms are widely used in education, healthcare, agriculture, business, research, smart cities. These all applications or platforms. So the data analytics, it means studying the data to discover useful information, trends and patterns. Okay, so organizations can collect huge amount of data every day, and example is like student record, then attendance data. You can have a sales report, weather information, or crop yield prediction. These all. Now the AWS, it provides tools to analyze the big data. Okay, to analyze the big data, where big data, it refers to extremely large amount of information that normal systems cannot process easily. Okay, so AWS provides cloud-based tools in order to process millions of records, large data sets and real-time information. And this large data, it helps organizations to understand the trends, improve the services and make predictions. Then here the benefits are like it is the processing will be very fast. Then it is it has a scalable storage. Then it has a cloud-based computations, and also it can find the patterns. Okay, second is it can find the patterns, where this AWS analytics tools helps to identify hidden relationship, then trends and repeated behaviors and unusual activities, and this process is called as pattern analysis. Okay, so pattern analysis, it helps the organizations to predict the future outcomes and improve the planning and identify the problems easily. Then you have the third one is a generate report, where after analyzing the data, this AWS can automatically generate the graphs, charts, okay, here charts and dashboards and the summary reports, and these report will help the administrators to understand information easily. So large raw data, it is very difficult to understand. So reports simplify information using the visual statistics and the summaries. Okay, so this AWS provides tools like Amazon QuickSight, which will create interactive dashboards, then visual reports and real-time charts. So some of the real-time examples where this can be used is for student performance data analysis, then attendance trends, crop yield prediction and electricity consumption. Okay, so this helps in decision making for better planning and efficiency. So this was about the features of the AWS. Thank you.